At Equitas, we integrate with the majority of Google apps, from Gmail for regular day-to-day communication, Google Drive for online storage and shared resources, the Office Productivity Suite, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, surveys and data collection using Google Forms, appointment creation, and virtual meetings using Google Calendar, data distribution using Google Groups, publishing information using Sites, internal communication using Hangouts, or now GChat, Blogger, another tool that can be used to create forums, and Google Classroom, a learner management system to help teachers facilitate collaboration and document sharing with scholars. The power of Google applications comes in the ability to share, view, and edit access from almost any application with both scholars and staff. Peer editing, workflow, Google Suite applications drives positive impacts in the areas of collaboration, communication, and access to information. Google Calendar has become a vital tool this past year, supporting distance learning and remote connections, creating appointments, inviting users, adding rooms, enabling virtual meeting spaces. Google Calendar integrates seamlessly with other G Suite apps. You can not only send out invitations through those apps, you can also schedule future meet sessions based on your team's availability. We also highly recommend using Google Chrome as your base browser and enabling sync. Turning on sync will allow you to save your bookmarks and login information across all your different devices. Accessing your account through a Chromebook, through your MacBook, on your mobile will allow you to stay connected and switch seamlessly between devices. You can even pull up your history from different devices from your account.
Okay everyone, let's take a virtual tour on classroom technology. And sorry, you cannot skip this video in 5 seconds. You're stuck with us. Now it's important to remember that not all classrooms are one and the same. In this case, this classroom is set up with an LED smart TV. You'll also find your staff laptop, a HDMI dongle adapter that you'll connect to your laptop. In this case, it's a C-type adapter. Attached to the adapter is an HDMI cord which is relayed to your smart TV. You'll also find your document camera is attached to the HDMI adapter. Now, in order to turn on your smart TV, you can press the power button in the bottom left under your TV or use the TV remote. When the TV is on, you may need to switch the source or input as needed. In this case, HDMI 2 is highlighted, so that will be our main input. Once we're on the correct input, your smart TV should be mirroring everything on your computer display. Now let's talk about how to use your document camera. First, make sure that it's connected to your HDMI adapter, which is also connected to your laptop. Next, open the Visualizer application on your laptop. Once open, you should be able to see your document camera projecting from the smart TV. You can also increase the size of the Visualizer window by pressing the green /extend button on the top left side of the window. And that basically covers classroom tech scenario number 1. In classroom scenario 2, you'll see that an LCD projector and a smartboard will act as your main display instead of a smart TV. But the same rules apply as the other classroom example. You'll find an HDMI adapter that's connected to your smartboard and projector, which you'll connect to your laptop, and the projector will pick up the source automatically, which in turn will begin mirroring your laptop display on your smartboard. If for some reason you don't have the right equipment or you have the wrong adapter, please submit a tech ticket. We want to make sure that we get you the right equipment as soon as possible. And as for your document camera, it's the same process as in the first example. Please make sure that your doc cam is plugged into your adapter and open the Visualizer app in order to use your document camera. And that's it. Take care.
Securely is our web-based content filter. It runs on all of our Scholar devices and works to monitor and keep our scholars safe. The power of Securely comes in its analysis of emails and posts and Google Docs for any indication of bullying or self-harm. Other student searches that match keyword phrases or inappropriate content also appear under flagged activity. References to bullying and self-harm detected in posts and emails are also flagged. These notifications are sent to administration, and administration sends these to school site counselors, school directors, school operations managers, and instructors to provide immediate intervention to the scholar. Securely contains a full database of sites that will be flagged if a student visits or attempts to visit. Scholars using our Chromebooks to access inappropriate content and websites are met with block pages like this one and are unable to proceed.
Then my school got clever. Now making magic happen is much easier. I just tell my students, log in with Clever and go to Ms. Buchanan's page. And we're learning immediately.
When logged into your dashboard, you'll see your pages at the top. You'll already have a default page, but you can add as many pages as you like. From the page tiles, you'll be able to see the title of your page and how many resources you've added. Click on the page to see what resources are inside. To create a new teacher page, click on the Add button on the bottom right-hand corner and select Add Page. To change the title of your page, just click on the title and begin typing. We suggest making it something that your kids will remember. Keep in mind that kids may have multiple classes linked to Clever. We also recommend that you personalize your icon. The default owl is something kids will see throughout pages, but you can upload a photo of yourself or a particular icon that will help differentiate yours from other teachers. Once you're ready for kids to interact with your new page, click on the Edit Student Sharing button on the left side and select to share with all the students you teach, one or more classes, or only to you. You can edit your pages, personalize, or delete them at any time from your dashboard. To add a PDF or a link, click on the Add button on the bottom right-hand corner, select the PDF, or select a link. Link is useful for direct links to YouTube videos and other resources. Enter copy-paste the URL, enter a title for your link, and select an icon. You can choose to upload your own icon as well. Remember, for making your own icon, to save it as a .png file. Scholars log into Clever using their Equitas Google accounts or their Clever badge. Once scholars are logged in, they'll see teacher pages at the top of their dashboard and any other organizational, classroom, or school pages towards the bottom. Another thing to note is that applications and resources can be shared to different groups. So the teacher view may show access to a certain application, but is not visible under the student view. We hope that Clever will help make technology integration a bit easier for you and your scholars this year.
Hey everybody! Quick reminder about reaching out for support. We want to encourage staff to use Zendesk, our ticketing system to request technology and application support. You do this by sending out an email to support@equitasacademy.zendesk.com. Please be detailed and, if at all possible, include a screenshot of your issue. Tickets submitted land in a queue and notify everyone in the support team. Support team members will pick up and self-assign tickets and will communicate with you. Here's how we see them. Be sure to reach out for a lending hand. We also provide scholar and family tech support via our Family Technology Support Hotline. Parents can request support either by text message or by phone call. Text messages are highly encouraged. Support requests requiring repairs or replacement are handled on-site by appointment. So if your scholar's computer looks like this, I think it's time for an appointment.